Welcome to this property located in Castil de Campos, which is 1 hour 45 minutes from Malaga Airport. The property is split over 4 floors, the top one being the roof terrace and the bottom being the garage lead and storage area in the basement leading to its garden. The door under the stairs leads to the basement. As you've just seen from the bathroom window, the views are spectacular. The ruin of a building on the right hand side there is actually included in this property. It belongs to this one. So the recommendation is to take that building down and make space for parking, which would be accessed at the side of this property. We are now looking over in the direction of Sierra Nevada, the ski resort, which you can sometimes see on a clear day, particularly if there's snow in the mountains. It's very identifiable. So the village of Castil de Campos is perched on a hill and gives spectacular views from many places. As you can see, there's a gate just there on the right that leads onto the main street, so the garden and the basement are both accessible from there as well as from inside the property. We're now looking at the building at the side of the property that is on the deeds for it. So the suggestion of the owner would be to take it down and make space for parking, which would be accessible from the right hand side of the property. To the left-hand side of the garden, there is a fig tree, always a delight to have.